You are viewing an instructional video on how to set up your Microsoft Word documents so they will automatically default to proper MLA settings, which will create a document that looks like this. First, you want to open up Microsoft Word. MLA and APA both require a 1-inch margin all around. Sometimes Word defaults to a 1.2 left margin. If you can't tell where your margins are set, view your rulers. This shows me that my left margin is not set to 1 inch. To make sure that your margin will be properly set in the future, go to the Page Layout tab and choose the ellipsis that shows up in the right-hand corner. On the pop-up screen, set all margins at 1 inch and then choose the Set to Default at the bottom. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to change the setup for all future pages. Choose Yes and click OK. If you notice when you first open the document, on the Home tab, the font defaults to Calibri size 11. We want to use Times New Roman. You can change the font on the home page, but doing so will only affect the current document. To set up the document so that every Word document will open with the proper settings, click on the ellipsis. This will open a dialog box allowing you to make additional changes to your font. Choose Times New Roman, size 12, and you'll see an example of what it looks like in this box near the bottom. Again, we're going to set this as our default. It asks you, do you want this to apply only to this document or to all future documents? Choose All Documents and click OK. Microsoft Word has another tricky setting which does not correspond with MLA or APA style, and this involves line spacing. Follow the same steps under the Paragraph section by clicking on the ellipsis to open the pop-up window. We're going to focus on the spacing section. We'll set the spacing after each paragraph to 0, and we'll set the line spacing to double. Again, we're going to choose the Default button and apply this to all documents that we open in the future. Now every time you open Microsoft Word to begin typing a paper, let's try it, you'll see that your settings are automatically set to 1-inch margins. It's Times New Roman 12. Your paragraph has 0 spacing after the paragraphs, and everything is double spaced.